Hey, here we are. We're on the very last activity for this week, so big breath and a big smile, okay? Now we are going to skip all the way down to number 8. Okay, after you complete the trial balance in the previous example, well, I've already done that for you, and you're going to find that in the template. What we're going to do is create an income statement, and we're going to create a statement of retained earnings, and we're going to create a balance sheet for this. So, skip all the way to 8. Don't worry about the trial balance because that's in the template. And here we are. It says, do not do 6, do not do 7. Here's our trial balance. So now that we have a trial balance, we've done all these transactions, we need to pull off financials. Now remember, we did financials before, and you always pull off the income statement first, then you do the retained earnings, then you do the balance sheet. So let's get to it. Services. So what do we got here? I've got service revenue, I've got a salaries expense, so it pretty well tells me what we have to pull off. Service expense is, revenue is $4,200, easy enough. Then just pull down all your salaries expense, which is $1,900, $1,500. Oops. And utilities is going to be $800. So what does that add up to be? I think that adds up to be $4,200. Uh-oh. We only made $4,200, so we just broke even. We had no net income. So remember that, okay? Now, remember our beginning capital is $71,000. Well, actually, that was contributed during the setup, so our beginning capital was 0. The owner invested $71,000. We had no net income, and there were withdrawals of how much? How much did he withdraw? $3,000. So, if I take $71,000 and subtract $3,000 from it, what do I come up with? $68,000. That is our ending owner's equity. Now you have to put the balance sheet together. And I'll leave that to you. You're going to pull down the cash, you're going to pull down the accounts receivable, the office supplies, furniture, buildings. It should come to $70,300. You've got your accounts payable, and then you have your owner's equity of $68,000 to go here. Should all add up and balance out. And that is how you do accounting. So, good work. Get it done, turn it in, and I will get it graded for you. Thank you for your patience this week. Have a good week. Bye-bye.